till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart.
Alright, today's video is in collaboration with 2 Pages. And we are going to be hanging these drapes in my daughter's family room. Let's get started. So we have these curtain rods that we need to put together, and the curtains are going right over there. So when 2 Pages reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in trying out their curtains, I thought it was the perfect time since my daughter was moving into her new home. I chose the ivory beige, and they are the Jawara, I hope I'm saying that correctly, Jawara luxury thermal curtains. 2 Pages offers several different style options when it comes to your drapery. For my daughter's home, I decided to go with the Jawara. I love the double pinch pleat of that drape, and I thought it would look perfect in her family room. When you go to the 2 Pages site, you do have a lot of color choice options. I chose the ivory beige color in J401-2. Again, it is a double pinch pleat. I ordered it in a width of 72 inches wide by 90 inches long. I also chose 100% blackout. She gets a lot of natural light in the living room during the day, so I thought it would be perfect. If the light was too bright or too hot, she can close the drapes. The drapes are hypoallergenic, skin friendly, they are durable and long lasting. They offer dust prevention and noise reduction. If you are unsure on the color and style of drapes you want, 2 Pages has you covered there as well. You can order a swatch booklet to get all of their color samples that will help you decide which color will work best for your home. You can also choose the style of pinch pleat that you want. You can choose between a double or a triple pinch pleat, and I chose the double pinch pleat for my daughter's home. You could use the back tabs. There's like a goblet style. There's so many different styles that you can choose from. I absolutely love the look and feel of these curtains. They are linen, very luxury looking, but not at the luxury price. Again, if you are looking for some custom style curtains without the custom style pricing, run to 2 Pages because you will not go wrong. I love them. My daughter loves them. And they will make the perfect investment for your home and give it that luxurious look that you want. Now, on the day of actual installation, I was not able to make it over, so my daughter's husband stepped in and he helped her in my absence. I will say that the curtain rod, we hung it a little high, so the curtain rod needs to be lowered so that you will see the drapery is hanging slightly above the baseboard, which is not what you want. We are going to fix that the next time I am at her house. We are going to lower the curtain rods, and the curtains also have the adjustable little tabs in the back so you can raise or lower the drapes to the level that you need them. So I did tell my daughter about that, so we are going to fix that in my next trip to her home. But the drapes are absolutely lovely. She loves them. The twins love them. At one point, they were sitting on the drapes trying to help their mom. It's just so cute. So I highly recommend, and I want to thank 2 Pages for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a coupon code down below. Make sure you go check them out. You won't regret it. Now the draperies are all hung, and her home is coming together so nicely. So we thought we would show you a little preview of what we've done so far. We still have a lot of work to do, but her living room is coming together nicely. Leave us a comment down below and let us know what you think.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do.
My daughter's home is slowly coming together room by room. She is absolutely loving decorating, and I am loving helping her to decorate. So again, I want to thank 2 Pages for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys continue to come along with us on this journey as we turn my daughter's new house into a home. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. We have lots of home decorating that is budget friendly and very inspirational coming your way that you don't want to miss. With that, my friends, we hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
In the neon glow.